Alright, we'll do some ripping in the fields here, and we'll see how it goes.
Don't break it.
I hope not. It's hard to tell on this loose stuff. I'm just trying to see where the max RPM is.
Yeah.
Seems to be almost a spot on, but...
You get out on the packed trail and try it.
Yeah. Yeah, it seems to be spot on. You alright?
Okay. Oh, that.
Oh, yeah, you got a rag hanging on your side there.
Yeah, I can see the shadow of something flapping. I'm going, what the hell is that?
We could always head up that way and try to meet them.
Where the trail crosses here.
We could go all the way to the 401 and stop there.
Welded the plastic all up and put her on there. Figure if it breaks, I'm on duty. Hey. Yeah, where are you?
Oh, I see them. They're down at the trail.
Well, geez.
We've been waiting for you.
Well, we're here. Well, we're here.
We're coming.
Close your lid.
That's right. You should have seen what he had hanging out earlier.
What's that?
You should have seen what he had hanging out earlier.
I don't want to see that. But then it started getting cold.
I'm probably going to have to drop a scratcher on this trail. Take the snow 9 all the way across the railbed?
Yeah, the 102 and back up?
Yeah. Yeah. I feel outnumbered here today, fellas.
You're always outnumbered. Should we get used to it?
Yeah.
Which way are we going?
Portland. That way. That way. Let her rip.
Welcome to the swamp.
This is actually looking good compared to previous years.
Yeah. Now 2 Argos plowing through here.
Should have zipped out on the lake.
You still can. Might be a bit of a jump down there. Yeah, but he's got a cat. Always lands on its feet. What's that?
Let's do that R20 loop now.
Okay.
Still pretty early. We gotta go this way.
I've never done it, so.
Do you want me to lead?
Sure.
It brings us out right by the gas station.
Okay. Over that one to get back, huh? No. We're going across the road here.
We'll find you snow bumps, Bill.
Yeah, okay.
So are you going back out to the E-Trail?
I think we're gonna head up and see if we can hit this cafe, but that goes straight to the E-Trail.
Yeah. No, I've been before.
Yeah. I think we're gonna check this cafe out.
All right.
It's just up. There's an old school that's been converted up here. I think there's an OPP station.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. See ya.
All right. Call if you need help.
I'll see you later, Al. Home.
I know, right?
Yeah. Sick of you guys. I got a dinner tonight, so I got to get home early.
What's the snow dust like? Is there a lot of? Am I throwing up a lot of dust?
Not now. Not like this morning. I think it's got warm enough. It's a little wetter.
Okay.
I really like that spot back here where you're going along and there's a drop off and there's a lake. I like that. That's really neat. Yeah, that drop off is a little sketchy, eh? You want to stay in the middle. Yeah, yeah.
Hit that snowbank?
Yes.
I fucking flew in my head. Yeah.
That was brutal. I was like, this is sketchy.
Yeah.
I was like, I smacked my knee off the. I went like this. I was like.
You see me hit that snowbank?
Did you what?
Hit that snowbank.
I was right off the seat.
Yeah, I smacked my knee off here.
I was right off the seat. Just.
Getting thin here, right? The trail's getting thin. I think we're going to go railbed all the way back to,
East.
sorry?
Is it for the 103?
103, yeah. All right, have a good one.
Jeremy?
See you later.
Yeah.